like a bunch of northern angels.
You're beautiful!
Right. Before we go any further, we all need to give it up for some very important people. If it wasn't for these people, this show would not be happening tonight. So give it up for the most important people in this room. Give it up for you guys!